Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post longer text on X. So the first step you need to do is to search for X and you need to open that. Once you open X, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the right bottom and click on post, and here you need to add your text. But as you can see that it is a longer text, so you need to select all the text that is in the red. So let me select this. To show you, I'm going to cut this, and then you need to click on the plus icon here, that is, click on that, and now you have another option, add another post. Click on that and paste the text here. So basically you need to create multiple threads. So on the top this will shown, and then this will, and the process is on, and you can add multiple like this. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.